Let's change your rotors. Remove the brake fluid cap. This allows for expansion of the fluid. Remove your tire to expose the work area. A large flathead screwdriver will part the pads. Then remove the bolts holding the caliper. These require an 18mm socket. Don't allow the caliper to hang. Rest it on the vehicle like this. Remove the securing Torx bolt. You may want to spray some WD-40 on this first. You may need to tap with a hammer to loosen. Remove the old rotor. Slide the new rotor on. Line up the hole with the securing bolt hole. Replace the caliper. You may need to open the pads slightly. You can do this with a G-clamp or a hammer handle. Add some Loctite on the pressure on the pistons. This will prevent them accidentally backing out. If you're getting value from my video, please like and subscribe. Secure the bolts. Check your manual for torque specs. Replace the brake fluid reservoir cap. Now pump the brakes until firm.